Let's fix the running app problem in Android Studio Emulator. So here we have the emulator already running, but we are having another running app message in the notification bar, as you can see. So how we can fix this? Let's try rerunning the app once again. We have the error running app message. So we're going to click on the AVD Manager tab to create another emulator. Go to the Device Manager button on the right, and then click on Create Virtual Device. Make sure you are in the phone section and choose any phone you'd like. We are going to choose a medium phone, and then here you're going to choose an API for your phone or your emulator. I'm going to use the 35 API with the Google Play installed in the emulator. Here you can change your AVD name, and then we're going to click Finish. Once we're done setting up our emulators, it will take some time to load and come online. The time is based on your CPU performance and your internet connection. Here in the preview button, you can check what we're going to see on our emulators. In fact, I have a project of Kotlin. If you'd like to learn more about Kotlin and how you can create some previews and project in Android Studio, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and tell me in the comments below what you'd like to learn. So here we have our emulator starting. We're going to click Run to build the project. Here I have my emulator. As you can see, I have all the apps like Play Store, YouTube, and I can enter app and use them as any phone. Okay, so I'm going to click on Run. Here I have the Gradle building running. Also, when you're creating your emulator, I suggest to use an API that is higher than your Gradle, than your current Gradle project. Like here I have already 35, it's a maximum, so I use 35. Always upgrade to the latest version in your Android Studio. Like now it's 35, use 35. So here we have the emulators running and it should work after. Yes, so we have the project. Also, if you'd like to know more about Kotlin, don't forget to tell me in the comment, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.